Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review and sound test of RAPTOR Pro Plus gaming headset with LED lights. Now, I believe the brand that makes this is PBX. Is the brand that I believe is who makes this. So yeah, and we're going to compare it with some other brands gaming headsets. With the, I guess it was the TT. Oh no, it was the Triton Coma and Dream Gear GRX 340 gaming headsets. Now, one headset that I love, I had for years, but until it broke, was a brand called Rocket Fish. Bought it during Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Loved it. Had it for like 3 or 4 years. I just use that thing so much. So yeah, when it comes to gaming headsets, it's something that kind of gets me interested, but I don't want to pay a lot for it. So they're usually between, well, I would say the $10 to maybe $20 price range. So usually the gaming headsets that I buy is like around the 20 and under type of category for price range. I know some people might be like, "Oh, get Turbo Beach because they're pretty cheap," but actually they're like around 40 to $60. One that I want to get was the Astro A40s with the mid amp. I know they came with another one. It's like Astro A40 RXT, I want to say it's called, with the pre-mid amp. It's the new updated version to the Astro A40s with the pre-mid amp. So it still comes with the pre-mid amp. There's still the Astro A40s, but they add like some other letters because it's the new update version. Those things are pricey, my friends. If you're in the gaming, headset type of community that you have to buy them for YouTube and stuff, then you know how much I'm talking about. Like they start like around 160, and then they could go up to like 200 and something. I think Astro A40s was like 100 to and something to like maybe 200 with sales tax. Yeah, I didn't get those because then I found, hey, Astro A40s are coming back out again with the pre-mid amp, but it just adds some more letters because it's the new update version. And why would I get the old version when it come out with the updated version? So yeah. So this is their RAPTOR design one. Let's bring the camera down a bit. So where did I put this up at? Foreman's Mills. I've seen the commercial on TV lots of times, just never been able to make it down there. I'm like, woo, that's in a bad neighborhood. I ain't going there. Found one that was close in a good neighborhood, so I was like, let me see what this is about. Because, on a TV commercial, they just talk about, we have quotes. It's a clothing store. And it's not. I mean, they do have a majority of clothes in there. A big majority of clothes in there, okay? But they still like electronics and other stuff there, too. Now, by electronics, you're not going to find anything like a TV or anything like that, or DVDs or CDs. So, that's not a question. But, like, headsets and stuff, you know, power chargers for, like, your phones and stuff, you're going to find stuff like that. But, yeah, I was like, $16.99. About $17. Let's round it off, $17 for a headset. I was like, yeah, okay, let me try this out. So, yeah. This one works with the PS4, PS4 Pro, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and a PC. So you can tell this is pretty much just fresh on the market. How? Because, Nintendo Switch. If it was just like PS4, PS4 Pro, Xbox One, and PC, then you'd be like, it's an older gen model. But since it says Nintendo Switch on there, Nintendo Switch's been, well, it's been out for a couple years. But a lot less years than, PS4 and Xbox One. So, yeah. Now, do they come in different colors? I don't know. This was like the last one that they had on the shelf, so I was like, hey, a gaming headset for under 20 bucks, 17 bucks, you know, yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. So here's what it says, you know, extra padded headband, adjustable design, sports cloth ear cups, light up ear cups, and microphone. So yes, the microphone does light up. Boom mic swivels 120 degrees. So if you don't want that boom mic sitting in your face, you could just flip it up. So it's telling you like what's all the components in here. Audio and mic input, you know, cable. Standard thing. A USB cable. Well, LED USB cable to call it. A volume control, and then you get a cable splitter. Personally, I don't use a cable splitter. I just, you know, use the 3.5mm input jack in all my devices, you know. And once in a while, I'll throw in, you know, USB cable. You know, if it's something that lights up, something like that. But cable splitters, I don't use them. So, features. Let's see if we can get this camera to focus. There we go. Stay in the loop with the noise reduction boom mic, or flip it up when going lone wolf. For me, I'm the lone wolf guy. I don't have like any online friends. I mean, I do have them, but they don't really want to play the games I want to play, and they don't really want to communicate with their mics and stuff. So usually, I'm just stuck getting into games with a bunch of random people. So yeah, I'm more the lone wolf guy. But I do like that, you know, it does have the thing on there, so that's great. Adjustable design provides a perfect fit for any player, while performance sports cloth ear cups keep you cool under pressure. So I don't know what they mean, keep you cool under pressure. Like, does it mean that there's enough room to allow airflow so that, you know, your ears don't get all hot and sweaty when they're like that close to your ears, and you're playing a good game such for like an hour